We're going into Nora Mill Granary this afternoon. It's been a while since we've been in here. They have a lot of lodge stuff in here.
Yeah.
Hey, look, here's something.
That's a
Oh, a Dutch oven lifter, yeah.
Oh, cutting board oil.
They got a lot of bath salts and stuff over here and soaps. What is this? A headache buster? Shower burst. Place on a dish but briefly to activate the aromatherapy experience. They have these farmhouse soaps here. I've never used any before, I don't think. Sage and juniper, beach plum, tangerine mint, lavender, lemon verbena, fresh lilac, and that's sage and juniper again.
I'm wondering if I should get some of this monkey butter. I've been eating a lot of bananas.
Sugar, pineapple, water, bananas, coconut.
I don't know. I start climbing
You have to
trees.
keep thinking about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honey butter.
This is, remember we got one of these from somewhere the other day.
Got it
Betty's.
down at Betty's.
Yeah. Here's a honey dipper set. What are these little things for? They got lots of different syrups. They have sparkly syrups right here.
I'm going back to bread and moss.
Oh,
Italian
no.
bread
Please.
dipping mix, folks. I'm feeling something here. Folks, I'm seeing that right there.
Yeah.
Adventures in bread.
They have a melon cutter, apple spiralizer and corer. Lots of jams and jellies over here. This is where I get these dishcloths. A lot of y'all have asked about them. They have dishcloths and towels. It's Country Cottons is the name of the place where they come from. Peppermints.
You doing pork chops tonight? Can we do some kind of beans?
Yeah.
I might get this right here for...
Do they have any dry beans in here?
Let's see.
Oh, here's a bread warmer.
Everything
up
bread.
under your little
I'm changing the
thing.
channel name. Everything bread. Why don't we run down to Betty's and see if we can get some dry beans?
Yeah,
down
we'll
there.
go to Betty. A lot of times they have stuff cooking right here. Oh, look at this butter slicer. Measuring cups and balance scale. You can step out there and look at the river if you want to.
This right here is like a garlic and herb spread I could spread on my bread.
Yeah.
This is for one pancake. We're gonna do one pancake.
Yeah. Maple sugar.
Right there, that's really nice.
Yeah, these are new, I think. I don't remember seeing these in here before. They have heart-shaped cookie cutters. And this is for making a heart-shaped pancake or egg or something.
Oh, really?
Beside of Nora Mill is Jumping Goat Coffee Roasters. You'll see this in a lot of these mountain stores too, this coffee.
Not that goat.
No, not him.
He can't be at one place. He can only be at one place at once.
I actually.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
People that walked in the door. I'm calling right back. I'm looking for coffee.
Yes, ma'am.
I've got two brewed. I have our signature blend, which is our medium house roast. Flavor I brewed today is German chocolate cake.
Okay.
Now what I'm doing with that with people is I'm putting the sweet cream and a shot of vanilla in it.
Okay.
And it makes it like a latte. It makes it richer.
I'll take one of those.
You
Small.
want one of those?
And I'll take just black.
You enjoying your day?
Yes, ma'am. How about you?
Oh, you know. It's not as cold as it's been, so
There you go.
it's been better.
Yep.
It's better today.
Here we are at Betty's.
Country store.
Look, if you want to order sandwiches,
They're really good. Yeah, they got good stuff.
you just fill this little thing out and give it to them, and then they'll get your sandwich ready.
What do they got, Mama? You want to get one? Wrap coming up. Let's go.
Good, how are you?
Let's go get us a wrap here.
Yeah, bacon, lettuce, and tomato wrap.
Yeah. All right, so we want to get a spinach wrap. We don't want peanut butter and jelly on it. That would be weird.
Bacon, lettuce, and tomato is fine with me. And do some hot peppers on it.
Hot pepper?
And some, you want mayonnaise
A
on
little bit
it?
of mayonnaise. You want
Okay,
mayonnaise?
yeah, that'll be good.
Little. Gotta put our name.
Oh, yeah.
Moss and bread.
No. Oh, look, they have cowboy caviar right there. That's the cowboy caviar, y'all. It's really good. I was going to make it tonight, but I think we've changed our mind to just some beans in the Instant Pot.
I'll tell you something else that's really good. That broccoli salad right there.
Oh, yeah. Where do we lay your form here? Okay, and they'll get to it. Okay. Look at that strawberry salad back there. Egg salad. Fruit salad.
This is 3 weeks slaw right here now.
3 weeks slaw.
I love this old grocery store. We eat big cookies here.
Yeah, here's the famous big cookies. Oh, they're stocked up on peanut butter. Usually they're out of peanut butter ones.
You want to get the kids some of these, baby?
They like the no-bake, the chocolate chip, or the sugar cookie.
All right, let's get them a no-bake. Let's get one no-bake and one of these right now. This looks like one of them kinds got M&Ms in it.
That's the kitchen sink cookie. Peanut butter chips, pretzels, and M&Ms.
That thing smells good right there.
Yeah. Cakes over here. Sour cream coffee cake, hummingbird cake, caramel banana cake, Georgia spice cake, strawberry cake,
They got a red velvet?
German
Last night I had a
chocolate.
taste for red
Oh, I
velvet.
thought you were going to say you had a dream. Sour cream pound cake, banana pudding cake. That looks nice. Chocolate chip banana. I don't see red velvet. They also have great cupcakes. They have a key lime that's really good. I don't see the key lime right now. They might only make it during the summer. Right now they have banana pudding, hummingbird, carrot, German chocolate, funfetti, chocolate chip cookie dough, and Georgia caramel spice. I almost forgot about the beans.
When I was a kid, I had an old truck about like that. The fire truck. My papa bought it for me.
Oh,
and
yeah.
I'd still have it today, but my kids kind of wore it
No,
out.
we still had it for years. What
Yeah, I
happened to
kept
it?
that thing for a long, long time. But the kids wore it out.
So you threw it away?
Yeah, they wore it out.
You threw it away?
I should have kept it, but it was, I mean,
I
hey,
can't
it
believe you
lasted,
threw it
buddy.
away. I thought we
that
still
thing-
had it.
I probably had that thing for 25, 30 years.
Yeah, I thought we still had it.
You know what those dry beans would be?
Yes, follow me. Around the mulberry bush.
All around the mulberry.
See, they're right there on the very
Oh, okay.
bottom.
Thank you.
I told you it's the secret sauce.
There you go. All right. Pintos. We got field peas.
Pintos are Great Northerns, or they got cranberry beans. I've never had cranberry beans before.
I never have either. Let's get some cranberry beans.
Try the cranberries. We'll
Yeah.
need 2 pounds.
2 of them?
Okay, let's see what this wrap looks like. That looks great. It comes with chips too.
That's really good, ain't it? 3 weeks long, folks. It's actually really good.
Yeah, that would be good on a hot dog or with beans even. That would be
That's
good.
almost like a
Chow chow.
chow.
Yeah.
almost. Yeah.
It also comes with a pickle and a cookie. I forgot about these. They were up under the paper.
It wouldn't feel right if we didn't tell y'all about it.
Had to tell y'all.
That pickle there.
It's good pickle.
Y'all don't believe me? I'll sample it right before. Oh, that's worth it. Find you pickle. That was good. Fallon still got her coffee from Jumping Goats. What's the name of that place? Bouncing Goats.
No. Is it Jumping Goats? Is it? I think it's Jumping Goats.
It's not the 3 goats. That's the 3 bears in Pigeon Forge.
It's Jumping Goats. Oh yeah, you see it fully?
Yeah.
Tastes like maple syrup.
It does, yeah.
We're making these cranberry beans.
What is a cranberry
I don't
bean?
know, they look like a pinto. Brother of the pinto.
I mean, y'all, they look just like pinto beans. Can y'all tell us what is a cranberry bean?
I guess maybe it's because some of them, look, some of these are a cranberry color. See that? Maybe that's why.
That's it.
I don't think I have any fat back.
We know.
You know, I might have some fat back in there.
Really? Oh, we love fatback, everybody.
We got snowballs in here. See the
We
snowballs?
do. We got it. I'm gonna throw this in.
Now we'll just let that cook for a little bit on saute, and then we'll add the beans in. If you wanna, you don't gotta cook.
I'm cooking the rest of
Okay,
this. I
you
want
go
that,
right ahead.
baby.
That's a beautiful sound.
It really is. Keep your chips handy.
Right. Give us a little fat back frying music.
Ooh, I like that last lick. This is almost like 3 weeks long.
Premier veggie mix, is it good? Okay, so I just put that water in there to scrape the bits off the bottom. Now the beans. Cancel saute.
Quite a bit of water goes in this, y'all.
Yes, yeah, those beans are gonna soak it up, you know. And it's going on high pressure for 1 hour.
Hey, like that, man.
Oh, that's lovely.
Serve that at a place, you know what I'm saying? Y'all want a country appetizer? There it is. Country appetizer. Cranberry beans. Tastes just like pintos.
Like pintos? They kind of smelled like black-eyed peas when I opened it, so I thought they were gonna taste like black-eyed peas. They just taste like
Tastes like
pinto.
pinto beans to me. If
I guess
ain't
they're
nobody
just-
tell me, I would thought they was pintos.